Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into the Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop, a beast of a machine that's built for hardcore gamers and power users who demand nothing but the best. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to grab yours or learn more about it. So, what makes this Alienware 18 Area-51 stand out? Well, first off, it comes with a massive 18-inch QHD Plus display with a blazing 300Hz refresh rate, perfect for buttery smooth gameplay and crystal clear visuals that'll immerse you in every game. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or visually stunning RPGs, this screen delivers an unbeatable experience. Under the hood, you get the Intel Ultra 9275HX processor, which actually beats many i9 chips out there, paired with an insane 64GB of RAM. This means multitasking, streaming, content creation, and gaming all at once? No problem at all. The graphics are powered by the NVIDIA RTX 5080 with 16GB of GDDR5 RAM, giving you top-tier ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and max settings performance on the latest AAA titles. It's basically a desktop replacement in a laptop form. Connectivity-wise, Alienware has included the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, so you're ready for ultra-fast wireless speeds and stable connections with your peripherals. Bonus features include a 4K Ultra HD camera for crystal clear video calls or streaming, which is a great addition if you're a content creator or just want to look sharp on Zoom calls. Final thoughts. This laptop is definitely not for the casual user. It's built for those who want absolute performance and are willing to invest in the best hardware out there. The Alienware 18 Area-51 delivers on all fronts: display, power, graphics, and connectivity. If you're looking for a laptop that can handle anything from competitive gaming to professional-grade work, this is one to seriously consider. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more gaming tech reviews every week. Check the link below for the best deals on the Alienware 18 Area-51 and thanks for watching.